Do you keep saying good job to everyone, at school, at work, or even to your kids? It's not wrong, but it's overused. Today, I'll show you 15 smart and motivating alternatives to good job that sound more natural and encouraging, just like fluent speakers use. Let's level up your compliments. Well done. General praise for success or completion. Example: well done on your presentation. You nailed it. When someone performs something really well. Example: you nailed that speech. So confident. Impressive. For something skillful or creative. Example: that's impressive work on the design. Nice effort. To encourage even if the result isn't perfect. Example: a nice effort. You're improving fast. You're getting better. For noticeable progress. Example: you're getting better every time you speak. That's brilliant. For clever ideas or excellent outcomes. Example: that's a brilliant idea for our project. Keep it up. To motivate continued performance. Example: you're doing great, keep it up. That was amazing. To express enthusiasm. Example: wow, that was amazing singing. I'm proud of you. Personal praise shows warmth. Example: I'm proud of how far you've come. Great effort. Encouraging someone who tried hard. Example: great effort on your first try. Fantastic job. Upbeat, energetic praise. Example: you've done a fantastic job organizing this. Excellent performance. For something formal or professional. Example: that was an excellent performance in the meeting. You're improving fast. Encouraging learning progress. Example: you're improving fast with your writing. That's how it's done. Confident encouragement, like a coach. Example: that's how. Perfect catch. You're on the right track. For someone who is progressing well. Example: you're on the right track, just a little more practice. Now you've got 15 better ways to say good job, more expressive, more encouraging, and more natural. Start using these phrases at home, work, or with friends, and watch how people respond to your positivity. Which one is your favorite? Or do you have your own phrase to praise someone? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Word Hub, where we upgrade your English the smart way.